happened? I haven't heard from you. Listen, I'm a little bit worried. I'm trying to get a hold of you. I even came to the hospital, but I can't find you. Mia, I just want to know that you're okay. All right? And if you don't pick up, I'm gonna come see you. Bye.
I don't want you to see me right now.
I'm not going anywhere.
This is why I didn't want to let you in.
This doesn't affect anything.
It affects everything. I can't go on auditions. My agent dropped me. I'm not a book work like this. That was my life. Now I have no idea what to do.
Look, I can't even imagine what you're feeling right now. I know you're in pain. But I want you to know that I'm here. We'll work through this and we'll get through it together. I'm here for you, Mia. It's gonna be okay.
Sometimes we receive love from the most unexpected and unlikely places. I remember as a monk, I learned about the circle of love. Often we give love to certain people, and that love comes back to us, even if not through those same people. Sometimes in our lives we receive love through people, but those aren't necessarily the people that we give love back to. People come into our life for three things: a season, a reason, and a lifetime. When we understand which one it is, we're able to reciprocate accordingly. Some people come into our life for a season. It's exciting, it's enthralling, it's incredible, but that season has to move on. That season has a next phase. That season has an end point. Some people don't care for you when you're alone, they just care when they're alone. Some people come into your life for a reason: to help you learn, to help you grow, to help support you through your most difficult times. Never forget the person who was there for you when no one else was. When they had every reason to not be there. When they could have used any excuse to not be in your life, they chose to be right there next to you. They may be there to help you physically, emotionally, spiritually. They almost feel like they've been sent. And then you have friends that are there for a lifetime. They were sometimes hidden in the cracks. They were sometimes not even recognized, but they stood there by your side. These were the people that you often forgot. These were the people that you often missed. These were the people who were busy loving you even when you were giving nothing to them. Ask yourself, who in your life has played this role? Who in your life has been there for a lifetime? How can you show them that they matter to you? How can you reach out to them and make sure you know that they care? Ask yourself, who has been there in your worst times? Who's been there for you when no one else has? Reach out to them. Make sure that they know that you care. Often we feel we care more about people than care for us. We're just looking at the wrong people. Make sure you tune in for the final episode in this 4-part series and see what happens to Mia next.